In this video, I'll explain how to use Mailchimp SMS for text message marketing. Mailchimp SMS lets you send promotional text messages to subscribers who have opted in to receive SMS marketing. It's a great way to announce sales, send exclusive offers, share product updates, or remind customers about important events. To use SMS marketing, you'll first need to enable the SMS feature in your Mailchimp account. Keep in mind that SMS marketing is only available in supported countries and on eligible Mailchimp plans. Once SMS is available for your account, you can build an SMS audience by collecting consent from subscribers. Since SMS marketing is permission-based, recipients must explicitly opt in before you can send them text messages. You can then create SMS campaigns, personalize your messages, schedule them for the best time, and track performance with analytics such as delivery rates, clicks, and conversions. For the best results, keep your text messages short, include a clear call to action, and avoid sending messages too frequently. If you want a complete step-by-step tutorial on setting up and sending SMS campaigns in Mailchimp, be sure to check out our channel. We have detailed guides covering every Mailchimp feature. And that's how you can use Mailchimp SMS for text marketing.